In today's video, I'm going to teach you Clipchamp tutorial adding shape. We're going to walk through how to add simple, clean shapes to your video in Clipchamp so you can highlight information, frame your subject, or add a bit of visual style. I'll keep things clear and practical, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for. Start by opening Clipchamp and clicking Create a New Video. This takes you into the editor where you'll see the preview in the center, the timeline at the bottom, and the main toolbar on the left. Think of the timeline as your stage and the left sidebar as your toolbox. Before we add anything, set your project dimensions so your shapes look correct for the platform you're targeting. Click Size near the top of the editor, then choose Wide. Wide uses a 16:9 aspect ratio, which is perfect for standard landscape videos like those on most streaming platforms. Setting this now prevents unintended cropping or stretching later, and ensures your shapes align properly with the canvas. Next, head to your creative resources. Click Content Library on the left. This is Clipchamp's built-in collection of assets, and it includes a dedicated area for basic graphics. Inside the library, click Shapes. You'll see options like circles, squares, arrows, lines, and other simple graphics. These are great for callouts, lower thirds backgrounds, or subtle accents that guide the viewer's eye without distracting from your footage. Now it's time to place one. Click and drag a shape from the library directly onto the canvas or down to the timeline. Dropping it on the canvas positions it visually right away. Dropping it on the timeline lets you line it up precisely with your video clips. As you drag, you'll notice it snaps to the playhead and other elements, which helps you stay organized. Feel free to position the shape where it supports your message, near important text, around a focal point, or along an edge to create a border. You can layer multiple shapes by dragging more of them in, building simple compositions that sit above your footage. When you're ready to see it in motion, click play to preview your edit, then click pause to stop and evaluate. Watch for things like whether the shape appears at the right moment, if it's drawing attention to the correct area, and whether it feels balanced within the frame. If something looks off, simply pause and drag the shape again to refine its placement on the canvas or its timing on the timeline. That's it. You created a new video, set it to wide, opened the content library, selected shapes, dragged them in, and previewed with play and pause. You're ready to add clear, purposeful graphics to your projects.